All right, it's gonna be a 2009 Nissan Altima. We're gonna be replacing motor mounts. We're gonna start with the transmission motor mount. Then we gotta replace this is like a torque mount or something like that, and then we have the engine mount here, and then we have one on the bottom. So we're gonna do that. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta take out the air box, 10 millimeter right here on the corner. Disconnect this connection here for the mass flow sensor. We gotta disconnect this and take it off. See what we gotta take, and of course check up the vehicle or the engine from the bottom. Let's go do that. All right, so this will be the first one we gotta replace. 3 bolts. Gotta look at the old one. We'll go ahead and jack up the transmission just a little bit, just to make sure I take the tension off through here, so I can go ahead and put this one on. Take that one off, put this one on. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Take it off. Let me take it off and I'll be right back. I believe these are gonna be 17 millimeters. All right, and the one in the middle might be a 19. Okay, I'll let you know. Those are 17-inch millimeters. Just taking them off right now. Oh shit, se me cayó. Qué raro, papá. No, solo son 3. Solo son 3. ¿Seguro? Oh, sí, el otro ya no. Desde aquí. No, papá. El video aquí es diferente. Tiene que, sí, cuidado, papá. Este lo sacaste de. The one in the middle is going to be a 18. Sin la vara. Sin nomás. No les conectamos así, ¿verdad? Ya está conectado ya. No, que no. Está pegado. ¿No tienes de esos tus varitas para de imán? ¿Es de imán? Ahí. Lanzarlos. Ahora tengo que comprar uno más grande. Yo tengo que cargar uno en el carro. Lo tengo ya en la casa. Cayola. All right, the transmission went down. Sorry about that. Take it off. Comes off. Easy. 3. Now we're gonna put the new one on. Same setup. And we're gonna go ahead and put it right there. Now we're gonna jack the transmission back up to tighten it up. Bueno, vamos a subir el motor. Se mueve el motor. Más para arriba. No mucho. All right, so there you go. That's the transmission mount. Simple, easy. Just take up the air box for the filter, and it's right there. 3 bolts, 17s on the outside, 19 on the center. Check out the transmission just a little bit, just take up so it won't fall down straight down, and then just push it back up. Line up the screws by hand, and then tighten them up. There you go. Thank you for watching. I put everything back together the way it was.